showing you something that you love doing. I'm sure most of us are at home right now, and if we are so busy at home, we want something that's going to make us relax. So the very website today that we'll be talking about, I don't want us to dive right into it, but I want you to realize that over here we do have hip hop music, and it's up to 62 free hip hop stock music tracks. And with this particular music, I can assure you that you're in a position to earn around $7. Like, this music over here is complicated, the other one is trip hop. Vibes can earn you $7 from someone having to download it. So stick with me, do not try to be in a hurry and skip this video, because if you do, you are going to miss a lot of steps, and if you do miss them, I'm so sorry for you, because you won't be in a position to earn as much money as you will have if you stick with me till the very end of this video. So over here we do not have only hip hop music, but we do have a lot of music. If you also love children music, we have your category is already sorted out, because they do have around that one free children's stock music track. So you're not paying anything to have yourself entertained, and at the same time you'll be in a position to earn money on it. So you have feeling happy if you have children at home, and simply feeling that burnout of having kids around your house, and you're simply wondering what you are going to do with them and the way they are going to be relating with each other. So don't feel bad, don't feel left out, because they do have something for everyone. You may be a mom, you may also be someone who loves listening to R&B, listening to jazz, listening also to acoustic music. So over here we do have all these genres, and I'll be showing you how you can be utilizing all this free music, because you don't have even to, you see guys, you don't even have to sign up to this website. It is here for you, it is here for you to utilize. So they do have the acoustic music, they do have around 11 free acoustic stock music tracks that you chill out, sit back and get down with all these free acoustic tracks. There are no bells and whistles over there. It is absolutely a free collection of music. So you do have all this music. If you also want to listen to them, all you have is to do is make sure that you play this icon over here, and if you want them to download over here, make sure that you also hit that arrow down music. So these are artists who are into here that are trying to help you have a chilled out moment. And if you're someone who is also very strategic, very smart, and you want to earn an income on and listening to this music can also be an advantage to you, following this website over here, which is called mixkit.com. So this is where you get free music, and it is absolutely interesting to listen to, because you do not have to pay. Because I have come across sites that request you to, I don't know, subscribe to a channel and then come over here and download that music. So that's not how it works. And these artists are people that you know, or maybe you've heard of. They are not new, so that's what you'll be doing over here. So the other thing that we'll be looking at is to make sure that we now use this free music to get ourselves monetized and get ourselves in a position to maybe pay one or two bills and live up to the standards that we've always wanted. And because I believe that most of us have Android phones, I want you to go to your Google Play and search for App Forever. It is App Forever. It is App dash forever. And once you get over here, this is what is going to be displayed over here. They say make money by sharing your files, and in this case our files are going to be the music over here. So we're not only going to be playing this music. If you don't want to earn money, only just listen to this music and get yourself free from stress, because if you're so stressed, you can even find yourself having gastritis and all those answers that are not good for your health. And at this time you need to be at your relaxed time. You don't have to be in a panic mode, because if you panic, things are going to get worse for you. So if you want to be making money online, make sure that you download that particular file over there and come over here and see that there's simply you can also earn your money by simply having to share your files. And in this time, because there are people who want to make money online, there is a niche, and that niche is how to help people feel stress free, help people feel entertained. And how are you going to be doing that? The way that you're going to be doing that is make sure that you come over here, download or rather install this particular app, which is absolutely free. And over here, if we want to we come over here, they do have a review of 3.0, which is not so bad for a website. And also you can also read for all the reviews, and you can also see that they have over 50,000 installs, which is supposed to tell you that this app is good, this app is absolutely nice for you to use, because if you don't also have an Android phone, I don't know if it is compatible with an iOS, but if you do have a Windows website where you can use it and be in a position to earn your money. So that one was for people who have phones or devices, because they say this app is compatible with all of the devices. So if you have a tablet, if you have an iOS or even an Android phone, you are good to go to start earning and also uploading your files. So I want to be using the desktop version of it, where if you come over here, they will ask you to register your account, and once you register your account with them, this is how the landing page is going to be, because the app that we're going to be using is called App Forever. It's just that for the website of it, the U over here is not so visible, so it's App Forever still. There may be quite some difference, because this one, the U is complete, and over here, what was that? Over here it's App Forever, so the U over here is not quite visible, but it's appforever.org. It's not .co, it's app-forever.org, and that's the website that today we'll be talking about. So once you come over here, I highly recommend that you register an account with them, because if you do not register an account with them, I highly doubt how you'll be in a position to access your own dashboard and be in a position to be earning money online. So over here they do say that you can make money online, and how are you going to be doing that? You simply have to upload files. And if you want to look at the payment proofs over here, I want you guys to look at something over here, because I do not bring to you something that's out of the blues. As I said, you click onto one music, or you share one music, you earn $7, and if you do that to around 20 music, you earn yourself $140. So this guy over here, as at 14th of August 2020, earned himself $9 with PayPal money. Also have a video on how you can open a PayPal account in Kenya, and I highly recommend you go ahead and check it out in the description, or rather in my mix below, and you'll be in a position to be ahead of the competitors, and will be more knowledgeable. So also have a guy over here who has earned himself $2, the other one has earned himself $7, up to $10, which is equal to around 1,000 Kenya shillings. So you can earn your money. So they had the I always say that the amount of money you see that I have already displayed on my thumbnails is usually not typical. The results are not typical, but they do depend on how hardworking you are, how intelligent you are, and the level of experience you have, because some of these methods are not beginner friendly. I'm not going to be lying to you about that, because in my course I'll also be sharing that kind of content, the reality in making money online. So over here I also want us to look at something over here. It is either you're in French or Arabic, so that's where the I would call it the CPM will vary. So it depends. Like us in Kenya, our ratings will be if we are around this particular French, but if we're in the Middle East and areas like that, you'll be in a position to earn your local currency, which is a bit easier. So I want us also to look at the payment counts over here. They do have $194,784, which is around 1.9 million Kenya shillings. So you can imagine the potential in you having to share content that's not even yours, but you are in a position to make money utilizing all those files. So I also want you to come over here, because as you can see I already have an account with them, but I want to take you real quick on how you can be earning that money. And over here they also say that they do have a referral program. A referral program is where you earn your income, or rather your money, by simply having to invite people to register with them, or rather generating leads for them. Because as I always say, that if you do have an email list, I highly recommend you come over here and utilize that email list. By imagine they're not even putting money like the likes of Adsense, they're just coming over here and putting on their names, and you can earn 10% extra profits of what they want. So over here they also do have a referral program, where if you invite and registered people to the site, you earn 10% extra profits from the member who are registered on your link without touching his money. So it's the company that's actually doing all this for you. And the other thing that they do talk about is uploading music. And what is this App Forever? App Forever is a center to upload files and images. You even have your own pictures, or you're a photographer also out there and you simply want to be selling your art. So can you imagine, maybe I want to start something about making money online, or I just want to start something about related to health, I want to start about the heart, and if I go to this particular app forever.org and I find your image, you're simply going to be earning $7. So can you imagine, it is not even your work. You simply come over here to mix kits over here and download that music, then you come to this site over here, app forever, you upload it and you earn $7, which in Kenya is 700 bob. You didn't even have that amount of money. So they also have minimum amount to withdraw, whereby they say when you arrive $1, you can withdraw your money on most of the available banks. So you can imagine, maybe in your family you have 10 people and you tell them, so you guys, I want you to do something for me. Maybe they love reggae, they love acoustic music, they love R&Bs. They maybe have children at your home. Maybe you are a stepmom looking to have a second job, or you're simply a housewife and you're simply wondering how you can be making money. So this is the place for you to start with. Maybe you have children, you can simply be downloading that music for them, and you'll be in a position to earn yourself so much money by the day. So also want us to look if this website is legit, and you can see that they do have the visitor which you earn, you have to pay $0, so it is simply the free version of it. But if you're also in a position to upgrade to the premium membership of around $9, which is fairly priced, you can go ahead and register with that. So you may also come over here and use this without having to register, but I highly recommend you register, because if you register with them, you're going to be in a position to get 70 GB, which you don't have if you do not register. So make sure that you register with them and follow their said precautions about you having to upload your files. So I'll be going through with you how you are going to be in a position to upload those files and be ready to earn that money. So over here we are already in my account, and I want you guys to come with me, because I'll be showing you another way, another easier way on how you'll be in a position to upload so many files and make sure that you earn so much money. So this is what my link looks like. It's this is what, I don't even know if it's a link, but this is how my affiliate link looks like, and I'm going to paste that because you'll be finding it in my description box. So make sure that you go ahead and utilize this link and come over here, create your own space, get up to 70 GB, but for me they have given me 120 GB because it depends with how much you've used this site. So with me, I do not have any money. That's why my account balance is 0, because I've not yet uploaded any files with me yet. So I also do not have any referrals. I do not have I also have unlimited traffic that I can drive to this site. Given that I do have a social media following, I can easily utilize that. So I want you guys to come over here and click onto this menu over there and click on to upload first, because that's the reason we are in this website. We're not in this website for nothing. We are here to upload files, and the files that we're going to be uploading today are simply files that we make sure that it is important for us to note that they do prohibit uploading of pornographic files for adults. In case of violation, the owner's exposure to banned without receipts of funds. So make sure that you do not come here and violate the community guidelines of having to upload your pornographic content. And over here, if it does not work for you, I mean that this uploading first does not work for you, make sure that you try to disable ad blocks, because you yourself is going to earn money once people come to your site. And on the other hand, this app forever file is also website is also going to be in a position to earn money if people come to their website and view the ads, and in turn Google Adsense is going to be ready to pay them.